Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and as we take a look at the market real quick, and I posted a couple of flashback videos to show you the power of my one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based technical trading system and style that we use to trade this manipulated market. And it showed you from last year, almost 1 year ago today, as we're getting into our 1 year anniversary, and we're going to start to show you some of the original predictions that Vincenzo made 12 months ago and where those predictions are 12 months later, and see who was right, who was wrong, who got fleece heisted and shisted by a criminal gangster and a higher power that has infiltrated the Federal Reserve and the trading system to rig the markets uh, and beat down and manipulate the retail investor and the world's monetary and fiscal policies, right? That's stipending this nation. It's all controlled by a criminal enterprise at the top, and you need to understand that and fleece, heist, and shice them, and be 69 steps ahead of them, and outthink and outsmart and outplay them, right? When you know the playbook, you know how to act on the field, and that's how. If you watch those last two videos from a year ago, we had a head and shoulders pattern in Dogecoin, and we were able to call a 9.5 cent target that would be met before a new high was met when the price was at 60 cents, right? And even before that in earlier videos. But that was a really good video, right? You can watch that, and if you got fleeced, heisted, and shisted and lost money in the last 11 months, 10 and a half, 11 months in Dogecoin or Bitcoin, shame on you. And XRP, shame on you. Because Vincenzo gave you the playbook, right? Just like the current playbook we're in now is this symmetrical triangle. We've been in it for a couple of months. We bounced again off that uh, uptrending support at about 38,960, right? You see that where the green arrow is facing down. We bounced off that today. We're coming up into the 200-day moving average, and that's been acting as resistance. But if we can get above that, you could still make a run up here at this 41,396 descending upper resistance. You can see you hit it back here, right? You hit it once, twice, three times, four times, and you've hit your underneath support once, twice, three, and four, right? This is a classic symmetrical triangle. It's a neutral continuation pattern, but it happened in a bear market. So the odds are that this is going to break down. And the down target, the downside bearish target is 28,000, right? $307. And then you could have a bounce from there. But I have a much, much lower target, a late 2022 target of $13,336. And if you think these targets won't be met, you need to watch out. You need to watch that video I just posted and see how dead on we were with the Doge, right? And if you think that that was impressive, this is going to be even more impressive as the coins continue to crash. The charlatans continue to be exposed for the pushers and hustlers that they are, right? Vincenzo's been consistent that the market's down, but he'll tell you when the market could pump. Like right now in XRP, the XRP is in a symmetrical triangle, but it's in a much larger symmetrical triangle. This one is actually a 10.5 month symmetrical triangle, right? We got to go to the daily to see the whole thing. You can see that beautifully there, right along with the ring system. And that's where we're at now. And we got our upper resistance that's descending, that's sitting there at about 89 cents. You got your lower support uptrending. It's now up to about 75 cents. And then on a breakdown, your targeted move is all the way down there at 19 cents. And that is a late summer target that we think is going to be a phenomenally, play out phenomenally well. As you can see, we've been in this symmetrical triangle since last May, right? And now we're running out of room. We got till the end of this month, and it's going to have to break up or down. I think it's going to break down and hit the downside target, right? And you got your short-term target of 47 cents or 46 cents, right? Where there could be a bounce on your way down to that summer target. And then we even have much lower targets way in the shit house, way down there, the shit house. See that? Because we believe we're very bearish still, and we think the next major move in all the cryptos is down, and we're going to keep you on top of that as the rest of the market XLM. It's coming up on that lower support. We've been on top of this. This was two in a symmetrical triangle up there that broke down, and its targeted move is down there at 7 cents. And right now, if you break that 16.666 cent dotted line, you're coming all the way down. The purple dotted line, you're coming all the way down as the green is current price. You're coming all the way down to the 10 cent level, and then if you can't hold that, you come to the targeted move. But we're watching out for this, as this is a move that could take place imminently, right? Subscribe to the station, watch some 2 prior videos. If you were fleece heisted and shisted in that you, yes you, yep. If you're like, damn, I bought in at 58.60 cents, you need to be a member of Jabroni Killer. So this probability based, company made computer software system can go to work for you, and you can put the odds in your favor to have a profitable trade as a technical trader. Super simple and easy. Peace and love. Peace and love.